Hey, what's up guys? This is David and I welcome you all to a new video on the channel. In this video, I show you how to make $100 per hour by just watching videos. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. And I'll teach you how to do it. Also, if you are someone who is still not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I know you really don't want to miss out on such crazy videos. This is how to earn money online by just watching videos. The first step is to play the video. The second step is to watch it for at least 60 seconds. The third step is to cash out your earnings. It's as simple as that. Now, in order to find those money-making videos, we have to go to a website. This website is accessible from anywhere in the world, and it's completely free to use. But before I explain to you how you can do this, comment down below and let me know. Where are you watching me from? Just mention your country's name down below. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. And don't forget, I'll be giving Profit 9 tips that will allow you to earn double, or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get back to the video. First and foremost, I would like you to go to this website called zoombucks.com. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn money by simply completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and doing offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we will concentrate on watching videos because it's something you already do every day, and it pays you the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. So go ahead and click on the Watching TV option. Now, allow me to explain to you how this website works. Firstly, create a free account on this site. Secondly, select a channel that interests you. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. Once you watch the videos, you will get points credited to your account. You may also keep an eye out for more earnings by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's just that easy. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to properly understand how this website works. As previously mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to the homepage, enter your email address, create a password, and just click Sign Up Now. You might also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easier experience. Now, once you log into your ZoomBucks account, you can check how much money you can make on this website. You can see that people have made anything from $200 to $500, and you could be the next. These individuals are all earning money on ZoomBucks by watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. The best part is there are a large number of videos available here, and all of those videos reset every day, which means that there is an endless opportunity for you to earn money here by just watching videos. To get started, click Watch on the left-hand side. After that, you'll see these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lootably on them. And if you hover your cursor over them, you'll see their offer details. Next, select Lootably by clicking this Start button. You'll then be taken to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option of selecting from the categories of food, DIY, or random videos. On the right-hand side, you can see how many points you can earn on the respective categories. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. You'll need to sign up for a free account to proceed, as you can see right here. To do so, enter your email address, create a password, and just click Sign Up. After creating a Lootably account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click this one right here, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. That way you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. Thus, you'll be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right-hand side. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings. To save data, I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible. As a result, you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning as much money as possible as well. These bonus tips are quite effective, and you can use them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings in a single day on this website. Now, before we go any further, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 100 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now that you know how to make money on zoombucks.com by just watching videos, I'd like to show you another way to make money with this site, and that is by filling out surveys. On the left-hand side of your ZoomBucks dashboard, you shall see surveys which you should click. By doing so, you will be presented with a list of companies that offers you simple surveys to complete. Each survey will pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3, $5, and much more as shown here. Simply click on the company that offers you the most amount of money. After then, follow the same steps as before. Simply create a free account with the company of your choice and begin taking as many surveys as you like. And that was it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you yet haven't, as we post such videos regularly. Hit the bell icon as well so that you get notified every time we post a new video. And yeah, I will be seeing you in my next video. Have a wonderful day.